Mileen Vasudeo, the Senior Technical Analyst with Arihant Capital Markets. Mileen, are you seeing this drawdown in the fall in the Nifty as a temporary move, or you expecting Nifty to consolidate at these levels now going forward for some time at least?
Good afternoon. Coming to Nifty, yes, we could see some kind of a time-wise correction or a minor correction towards, say, 21,500 levels. But going forward, yes, 21,500, which is the 10-day moving average line, is a very key support level. If that is broken, then yes, slight deeper correction till 21,300 could be seen. But yes, the trend remains up. And at lower levels, there will be some buying emerging over there. But we are working out with the higher targets of Nifty. We feel that Nifty is likely to head towards, say, 22,000, 22,300 levels in a couple of months' time. So one has to trade with positive bias only in this, because one should adopt a buy on decline strategy going forward.
Sectoral specific, Nifty Pharma is a top sectoral gainer. Now, there are various fundamental reasons why this index has been gaining. But how are you looking Nifty Pharma in chart?
See, if you see Nifty Pharma, clearly it had given a breakout and now it is outperforming the benchmark indices. There are a lot of stocks in Pharma pack which are showing strength and which could has a potential to even rise for nearly 20 to 40% from current levels also.
Mileen, anything specific that you would look at in the Nifty Pharma space as of now? Anything that you're finding attractive in specific stock names?
Actually, I'm recommending two stocks here. One is Zydus Life, which is currently, last time I had seen, at 730. Keep a stop loss of 685. Target would be 769, 797 levels. The second stock is by Divi's Lab, currently trading at 5922. If you see the weekly charts of Divi's Lab shows an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and the targets are much more higher what I am giving just now. One can keep a stop loss of 5,800 on the higher side. Yes, 6,114,6240 could be possible.
Okay, so both your picks today are coming in from the Pharma pack. Mileen, could you just pull up the charts for BHEL? Obviously there has been some news flow and reports and clarifications also that came in from BHEL. But the stock has been gaining in trade. Today also it's up almost 2.5%. On the charts, BHEL, how is it looking? Is there any attractive pattern that's been formed there?
See, clearly now 8 days of consolidation was broken at 187 levels. Now, those who are holding this stock can keep a stop loss of, say, somewhere around 180 on the higher side. Yes, this stock can test the levels of, say, 220, 240 levels in a couple of weeks' time.
Okay, Mileen, anything that, let's talk about one other sector is Nifty IT. Yes, IT will be starting with their numbers next week, IT companies. But as a move for the sector or any mid or small cap IT company that you would look at, or do you expect it to see a turnaround now finally coming in?
See, early in the morning also, we have given a call on Lemon Tree at 126 levels. It has clearly given a rounding base breakout on the weekly chart, and the volumes are substantial higher in this counter. So this shows that, yes, this stock has got a potential to go on the higher side. One can keep a stop loss of 121. And on the higher side, yes, you could expect 146, 154 to an outer extent of 163 levels.
I was asking on Nifty IT and any IT companies that you would find attractive to enter right now.
See, IT in the sense, TCS is the one which we are recommending in IT, and currently it is consolidating at current levels. That is, it is trading at 3779 level. One can initiate a long in TCS also. On the higher side, it could test the levels of 3900, 4000 levels. So one should trade with positive bias in TCS also.
We are also seeing some weakness when it comes to the Nifty Auto Index, obviously because the numbers are not pretty much as strong as what the street was expecting. But how are you looking at the Nifty Auto Index for 2024? Now, after 4 straight calendar years of gain, are you expecting even 2024 to be an outstanding year for the Nifty Auto Index?
See, currently it is quite extended, and I am of the opinion that some consolidation could happen at current levels, but definitely at lower levels, one can there could be some buying at lower levels. And yes, auto index is also one thing which is outperforming the benchmark indices, and one can look in auto index at lower levels.
Specific stock ideas from the auto space?
See, TVS Motor is one which we are recommending continuously. No doubt it is overstretched at present, but definitely if it comes down to the levels of say 1900 or 1950 to 1900 levels, one can initiate a long in it. On the higher side, we are working with the targets of 2200 levels.
And despite the underperformance that we are seeing in the markets today, PSUs continue to outperform the benchmark. How are you looking at PSU as a basket for 2024?
See, even if you see PSU index has always now for last 6 months it is showing in kind of a strength, and there are a lot of stock like Bank of Baroda, SBI, then Canara Bank. They are showing strong patterns, and from current level also I expect that nearly a 10 to 15% move can come in these stocks.
Okay, Mileen, thank you so much for joining in with us this afternoon on ET Now and giving us an understanding in terms of individual stocks, markets, where's that headed as well.